Hello everyone, Friday's here again and I'm excited to announce that Phase 1 of our annual budget consultation is now open. I'd encourage all residents to take part to share your views on how we should prioritise council services, as your opinion really does matter. The roadshows have started, so if you'd like to come and talk to myself and members of the Cabinet, we'll be in the following places. Merthyr Tudful Leisure Centre on Monday the 8th of September from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m, Bedlino Community Centre on Thursday the 11th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m, and Tesco on Friday the 12th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Please pop along because I'd love to see you all. This week I had the privilege of attending the official opening of the Flowers, a groundbreaking residential facility for looked after children. The £3.6 million investment from Welsh Government's Housing with Care Fund is a significant milestone. The facility will provide a nurturing home for up to 12 young people, offering critical services including long-term accommodation and specialised support. Merthyr Tudful is really leading the way. The facility is a truly remarkable place for our looked after children and somewhere where they can call a real home. I'd like to say a massive thank you to the whole team behind this fantastic project. A quick reminder that the UK Government's emergency alert system will be tested on Sunday the 7th of September at 3 p.m. If you wish to opt out, please check the gov.uk website for more details. Lastly, for those interested, the Tour of Britain cycle race will pass through a small stretch of Merthyr between Trelewis and Nelson on Sunday the 7th of September. So please plan your travel accordingly as some delays are possible. That's all from me this week. I hope everyone's had a great first week back at school. Enjoy the rest of the weekend and I'll see you all next week. Diolch.